up? So we are in North Carolina. Tucker and I just met up. I just realized the audio is probably
She's my sister, so we just meet up.
This is my brother. Wait, has the vlog met you? Probably. Anyway, so we got here this morning at like 2 a.m.
Yes, last this morning.
And yeah, so we're squatting up. We're going snowboarding today from 1 to 5, possibly doing a night ski thing. Anyway, so Tucker is back here, you know, cooking up breakfast because he's trying. And yeah, I'm so excited. So real quick, just gonna show you guys how we're camping. So Tucker slept well apparently. I, slept well enough. Woke up with the sun, kinda. And yeah, just been chilling. Tucker's still trying to get the fire going. We're getting our gear now. We had peanut butter and banana sandwiches for breakfast.
I might have failed to make a fire.
We got our lift tickets and we are going. I'm gonna try to get some footage on the way down. That means I can't wear my glove, so my hand's gonna freeze, but I do it for you guys. So we just snowboarded for a while. I got one video, which I'll throw in for sure, but I fell and then this one.
Right here.
I fell and then
you gotta throw it in like right here.
I was like, man, maybe I shouldn't be taking this camera like that.
She broke the screen.
Just a little bit. I'm gonna do some night skiing. I'll try to get some videos.
Yeah, you should be able to. I mean,
what time is it? It's late. Oh, my battery's gonna die, but we're cooking food. In your stew pot, bud. This is a biscuit, I think.
Something of the sort.
Straight up, he's a chef out here in the wilderness. Just a quick update. It is 16 degrees outside. So we're gonna see how that goes. So it's currently 8:30 in the morning and Tucker's sleeping. I think we're gonna do a morning sesh. Hopefully I can get some more footage on the mountain today. I lost my GoPro charger, so couldn't use that. last run. It's been a great day though, and yeah, I can't complain.
What if you did though?
I can't. It's physically not possible.
You're right.
Ah. We finished our day and we decided to drive back tonight because
We don't want to be living in like 14-degree weather at night under
Yeah.
some like random duvet that might keep us warm.
right. So yeah, overall super fun trip. So glad I got to see young blood over here. I hope you enjoyed this video and all the footage in it. Even though there's not that much snowboarding, just know that it was really fun and we want to give you just a little bit so we inspire you.
Also, she wiped out like a million times, so remember that failure is a good place to
Wait,
start.
but wait, who's the better snowboarder?